What is blockchain? Some of inventions and discoveries brought big evolution to human lives, like fire, wheels, power that lit up the world, internet that changed communications, and blockchain that made this communication transparent. Blockchain is a database that gives data to all users in that field with transparency. You can use it in anything that needs data transparency, like election that Sierra Leone used it. For internet businesses and financial systems, you can use blockchain. Everyone can access blockchain easily. Its increasing privacy is providing need for trust because it have high security and working decentralized. And that is why it can remove economic borders between countries and individuals. Now that investing in crypto market burdened, blockchain have important role in security and transparency in these investments. And this is just the beginning. Produced in Rasanet Studio.